In the gold futures, we know the quarterly up, revisiting this OP. It's also monthly F3 support and weekly confluence agreement. So that seems to be holding. Last week we had this big drop, and I was watching that for follow through. This past week we didn't get any follow through, so it's still telling me gold is kind of strong. It's not really reacting to weakness, and our weekly seems to be holding the support. So the weekly getting faded against monthly and quarterly, very long-term setup, which could take us into higher resistance levels. Looking at your daily, the daily resistance, we did retest the resistance zone again. Trump tweet taking us lower, recovering. So the market needs to break these resistance levels if the weekly trend is start to kick in. Next levels up closer to this 1498, and then closer to 1510 on the daily chart. If we do break lower, you do have the COP at the moment at 1447, and you've got your focus reaction number. That F5 is the one that held the market on Friday. So chopping back and forth at the moment, building some kind of consolidation. Be aware for or be on the lookout. It could be that we still do a wash and rinse of the lows over here, but otherwise a break of resistance could lead to a decent rally with the weekly buy still quite far away, and we need to build into that to take us into higher resistance if the weekly fade is to play out with the monthly and quarterly still up. So long-term setup, not surprising. See the back and forth action here, given the market stuck between daily resistance and weekly support, as I said last week, and we need to start to break out of the zone for the market to gain some direction.